My name is Kimfado Nabuachi. I'm 13 years old. I attend school at Child Bilingual Institute in Accra, Ghana. The reason why I like programming is because our school teaches programming. And the name of my program is a COVID-19 pandemic assistant. And this program helps and teaches how to overcome this pandemic. And the extensions I use the text to speech extension. Now I'm going to demonstrate my project.
Hello viewers, I am reporting this news to you on TikTok Blocks TV. My name is Jane Addison. You can follow our live session on http://web.com.
Today's news is about COVID-19 protocols. Many people still don't stick to the protocol, and the Ghana's active cases still rise. So Ghanaians, let's try as much as possible to overcome this disease. And let's try to remember to wash your hands with soap under running water, and use an alcohol-based sanitizer. All in all, you need to put on your face mask before moving out of your house. For more details and update, press the right arrow.
And ask you to keep social distance. Don't go outside when you are coughing or sneezing. Call 112 for help. This is tips for the pandemic. 1. Stay home when you have nothing doing outside. 2. Wash your hands with soap under running water. 3. Visit the doctor when you feel sick. Thanks for watching TikTok Blocks TV.
Thanks for watching TikTok Blocks TV.
So I used the sprites Hazel and John. And the extensions I used were text to speech extension, and I used the event and control. So I used two sprites, which is John and Hazel. One speaks, Hazel will speak first, then John will also continue. If Hazel speaks, then John will continue. So I think my project can educate the public to beat this pandemic. Thank you.